human health. Health is very important. Food, exercise, rest and sleep keep us healthy. A healthy body is free of diseases. A healthy body has more ability to do work. Food. Food gives us energy to do work. It helps us to grow and function properly. It also provides energy to fight against disease-causing germs. We get our food from plants and animals. Plants provide us with fruits, vegetables, cereals, and pulses. Animals provide us with milk, eggs, ghee, fish, and meat. Some food make our body strong. They are known as healthy food. Milk is a complete food. Milk has all the nutrients needed by our body. We must take at least 2 glasses of milk every day. Exercise. Exercise keeps the body fit. It makes our muscles strong. Rest and sleep. Sleep is important to give rest to your brain. When you sleep, your body and mind become fresh. We should go to bed early and get up early. Play. All work and no play make life boring. Playing is fun. It increases our hunger and helps us to grow.